Who's responsible for the actions of an adult with mental health challenges who breaks the law? That was the question at the heart of oral arguments today at the South Dakota Supreme Court. KELOLAND's Dan Santella takes a closer look at both sides of the case.
Donald London shot South Dakota Trooper John Koenig on January 7th, 2015 during a standoff.
Donald walked outside the farmhouse and said, "I'm going to die today, you're going to die today," and fired 146 rounds directed at law enforcement. Generally, people are not held liable for the intentional unlawful conduct of another.
London pleaded guilty to aggravated assault. He also pleaded that he was mentally ill. He suffers from schizophrenia. Trooper Koenig survived and sued Donald and his mother in civil court. They say that Bonnie London was negligent in supervising Donald and trusted him with guns. They also claim that she lied to him shortly before the standoff.
Donald's violence in this case was foreseeable because Bonnie knew that this would set him off.
A judge decided that Bonnie London didn't owe the Koenigs anything. Now the Koenigs are hopeful the state Supreme Court overturns that.
But for Bonnie's conduct, this shooting would have never happened. Bonnie knew that Donald was in an escalating pattern of violence. She knew that he had just been in an armed standoff with law enforcement, and despite knowing all of these facts, she falsely told him that the ATF was coming to where the place he was living.
Bonnie didn't have any legal authority over Donald. Donald made his own day-to-day decisions. He decided to come back to South Dakota. He decided where he was going to live. He decided to drink alcohol knowing he has mental health issues. And on January 7th, he made the decision to get the guns, threaten law enforcement, and shoot at law enforcement.
Dan Santella, KELOLAND News.
And we will continue live streaming arguments from the state Supreme Court this week on KELOLAND.com.